Since Trafalgar has been coming here 10 years ago, they really changed our lives. They really help us to save this place and also in sharing our history. This really makes me very happy and proud.
What we want to give to our Trafalgar and guests, it's a taste, not just a taste of the food that we cook in our kitchen, it's a taste of what happened in this castle.
Blackmore is not open to the public. This is a special arrangement we have for Trafalgar guests. It is a really special time for those that visit.
They will see our everyday life. I think that is very important for them because it's very rare.
I find it so wonderful and rewarding that I get to be in my home, open it up to guests, and they love what I do.
Guests tell us, apart from the fact the food is great, what they enjoy is the welcome and being made to be part of our family, as well as getting really under the skin of Scotland with the culture, the music. It gives a kick to the hosts as well as to the guests.